How's it going, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Today we're doing another pack opening. I'm just waiting for this to load up. Do you know, let's just refresh it, get rid of that, and we'll pay it off. We'll refresh it. Come on. There we go. Right, today we're going to open up the lightning rounds once again, but we've got a new card. Special silver pack I've just got released into the game. So without further ado, let's get on with the packs. So starting off, we have got UCL gold packs. We've got 3 of these. Come on, just give me a walkout. Ramsey. We get 3 UCR cards in a pack, and one of them could contain a walkout. Nope, we got Callahan. Wait, we got 4. We don't get a walkout in this. We got Thomas, and we've got the gold elite packs. Let's just get this silver one out the way with first. We got silver inform, and it's going to be Kuzawa, is how you say the name. I think that's how you say the name. I've not got a clue. Now we've got gold elite packs, and also we've got a new team of the week out, which I'll show you once these packs have been opened. Apart from the player picks and the team of the week packs. Come on. Is this going to be one video where we're not going to get a walkout? Oh, we do get an inform. I'm not going to pronounce that name. Nowhere near. Last gold elite. Screw. Now we've got a special pack. Come on. Normal walkout, please. Argentina will do. Oh, he's fucking German. It's Cruz. Tony Cruz is not too bad. 88 Cruz. His pace needs to be a bit higher. Ooh, we got a Halloween. His card's decent, actually. Now, let's look at the team of the week. We have got Mbappe, Fabinho, Sul, Iličić, Vio, Nkulu, Bellarabi, Vida, Sals, Chilwell, not going to say that name, Pulisic, Perez, definitely because he got a hat-trick against Southampton. Don't know why Vardy's not in it. Mitrovic, just any of them will do. So without further ado, let's open the 100k packs. Oh, who do we get here? Spanish, centre mid. We got Sul. Sul's not too bad. Ooh, Laporte as well. Come on. No walkout. Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Back off. Come on. Walk out. Iličić. Yep, it's Iličić. Now we have got the team of the week pack. Please. 92. Please. Please give me Mbappe. That'd be nice. Nani. We got whatever that name is, I can't pronounce. Pulisic from the new team of the week. Mitrovic, new team of the week. Oh. I'm going to take Pulisic. So guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Sorry. Versus tournaments. Right, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button. Also subscribe if you're new around here. And I'll see you guys next time for a brand new video.